My name is Nigel Hunt and I am the founder of San Portablo 1901 Clothing. So we have a few foster families who come in and shop with us, and we've seen the benefits of fostering by seeing the girls and boys, how they evolve, being in a loving environment and supportive environment. So we wanted to get behind that. And also I have a brother-in-law who's a social worker, and he's told me on numerous occasions about the benefits of social care. So we asked him if we could help, and it's been quite an easy process. It's been something that we're very comfortable with as a business. Community involvement is key, really. It's really important. It's very beneficial to keep the foster children in their community where they're comfortable with and familiar with. And I think we should be seen as being a caring community because it benefits everyone within the community. It's also that fostering isn't like always permanent, that some foster parents do it on they provide short-term breaks for children, and that is also really beneficial. There's a lot of people who would be able to foster, really, more than what people realise, that everyone can help with this and make it better for the whole community. I'd like to see more businesses get involved in helping fostering in Neath because it's really easy thing to do. All businesses in this area want to see a better community, want to see a better environment for everyone, so get involved.